Now I cleaned everything out. A big bag of trash. There's my weapons here to help me get everything out. And it looks like the piece that I was going to add on here, the little rubber piece that connects inside, looks like it was okay. Looks like it just needed cleaning. So now I've connected it in there. You hold onto it and you just spin it until it catches, and then you connect it back on to the machine. And I hope this was helpful. You see how nice and clean everything is now that I cleaned it up. No more string. Okay, I'm going to try and show you how to assemble it again. And like I said, you just connect it inside. Oh, can you see it? To where it hooks onto the latch like that. You just spun it in the front until it sits in this position. And then you reassemble it back onto the main part of the motor. I spin it this way. It's a little latch on here that you match up to the ones down here. Match these up to this right here. Sorry about my camera angles. Now you put the circle onto here. Okay, you have to lift the machine back up a little bit. Alright, try and get this in a good spot for you to see. You can see it here. Lift this part up, hook it on, and then once it's on, you secure it here like this, and then you take this part here and you flip it around to where it goes to green. Green to green. Then you close it. And you close this part here. And you can check to see if it's assembled good in the bottom, which it looks like it is. Nice and firm. And then the way that you definitely check it is you plug your system in and your little light goes on. That's right here. And that little light will show you that your system is up and running, which I'll try and show you right now. Sorry again about the camera angles. Okay, here we go. Let's see if we have it assembled correctly. Everything's on. Here we go. And it is up and running. Kirby's a very strong vacuum cleaner. And as you could see by all the string, if you're not careful, it will take everything in the room. So I hope this was helpful. Take care.